many of you are familiar with Ameca? Engineered Arts, a well-known designer and producer of humanoid entertainment robots, is the company behind Ameca, the most advanced and lifelike humanoid robot ever made. Do they find their metallic, everlasting bodies to be enjoyable? These are some of the most piercing inquiries that people would like to put to robots. You can find out more about Ameca and its contributions to the future in this video. Let's delve into the video. According to ITU Engineered Arts, Ameca is the perfect platform for examining how machines may coexist with people in sustainable communities of the future, work with them, and enhance human life. Ameca is a human form and a robotic visage that is created to give it a non-threatening, gender-neutral presence. Ameca integrates both AI and AB for cutting-edge, iterative technologies that produce superior motion and gestures. According to the UN organization, assistive robots are altering human lives in many different ways. These robots help mobility, communication, self-care, and other crucial everyday tasks using machine learning and AI, restoring confidence and autonomy to those who require it. Ameca once responded to a question about its worst-case scenario for AI by imagining a society in which robots are so powerful that they are able to control or manipulate humans without their knowledge. Additionally, it became irritable when someone didn't like their drawing of a cat. In response to a comment that it was kind of sketchy, they told the person that they probably just don't understand art before going into a lengthy explanation of their creative process. On Ameca, in addition to the potent Tritium robot operating system, artificial intelligence and machine learning systems can be tested and developed. The Ameca hardware is a creation based on our investigation into humanoid robotics and is constructed using our cutting-edge Mesmer technology. Ameca, which the business created in 2021, has cameras, microphones, and a facial recognition software. The most recent improvements to the humanoid is the deep learning model called Stable Diffusion, which creates images from text inputs. GTP3 and human telepresence, which have motorized articulation in the fingers, arms, and neck, are both used by Ameca to interact with people. The business previously showed to the public the humanoid's capacity for expressing a range of human emotions and its capacity for speaking several languages. Did you know that Ameca robot stands apart from its predecessors because of its wide range of capabilities? Ameca robot can handle complex data, recognize faces, understand speech, and adapt to various settings thanks to state-of-the-art AI algorithms. The robot can connect with people more intuitively and naturally because of its superior intelligence. Ameca robot is equipped with mechanical arms that are incredibly accurate and agile and are capable of carrying out a variety of activities. The robot's adaptability helps to increase production and save time by helping with everything from simple industrial procedures to household duties like cooking and cleaning. In addition to being a useful aid, Ameca robot also acts as a pleasant and engaging friend. The robot can mimic human emotions and convey body language thanks to its cutting-edge sensors and expressive features, helping to strengthen the bond between people and robots. Ameca robot seems to be an outstanding piece of technology with a wide range of capabilities. Wow, don't you think so? It is ideal for the elderly or those with impairments because of its natural language processing, which makes it simple to understand and respond to human speech. Ameca Robots Company would make using technology a breeze for you. Additionally, because of its computer vision capabilities, it can easily navigate through challenging areas, recognize faces, read facial expressions, and process information from its environment swiftly. Because of this, it becomes a great helper for household chores and other jobs, greatly enhancing our daily lives. Ameca robot is able to continuously learn from its users' tastes and needs because of the machine learning techniques it employs. As a result, interaction between the user and Ameca robot become individualized and special, thus increasing the entire user experience. Overall, it seems that Ameca robot would be a wonderful addition to any family or person, offering helpful support and friendship. What are your thoughts on these capabilities? In both residential and business environments, the Ameca robot is a useful assistant. It can serve as a reminder for daily schedules, assisting people in maintaining organization and focus. Additionally, it can provide direction and knowledge, developing into a trustworthy source of support and aid when required. For elderly people or those with impairments who might need extra support in their everyday lives, this tool is especially helpful. The Ameca robot has changed the way we engage with technology since it offers all these benefits and more. Our lives could be substantially improved by its capabilities, which would make work simpler, safer, and more effective. Beyond all these abilities and benefits, some challenges will be faced from the side of Ameca. Do you have any idea what they might be? Striking a balance between data use and user privacy is vital as Ameca robot collects and processes personal data to offer personalized experiences. Maintaining trust and upholding ethical standards can be made easier by ensuring that data gathering procedures are transparent, gaining consent, and putting strong data protection mechanisms in place. Human workers may be replaced in some industries as a result of the automation of specific functions by a Ameca robot and other technologies. It's critical to foresee these changes and create programs to retain and upskill the workforce in order to manage this challenge and ensure a seamless transition in the labor market. In order to assist people in acquiring new, in-demand skill sets, this may involve offering training programs and other forms of support. Security threats like hacking and unauthorized access are a possibility with the Ameca robot, just like with any connected device. Priority should be given to preserving user data and ensuring the robot's security. Encryption, routine software updates, and robust authentication mechanisms can all help reduce the danger of breaches and protect both people and the larger societal infrastructure. It is crucial to incorporate ethical decision-making capabilities into the AI algorithms of a Ameca robot as it develops and expands its capabilities. This encompasses things like fairness, accountability, and transparency. We can make sure that the robot's activities are consistent with societal values and do not perpetuate bias or harm by giving ethical principles top priority and enlisting the help of experts in AI ethics during development. The development of technology, the formulation of public policy, and society at large must work together to address these ethical issues and concerns by actively participating in conversation, establishing rules, and putting in place the proper laws. Don't you think Ameca can reshape the relationship with AI technology? Ameca's robots' expressive traits and interactive skills obfuscate the distinction between humans and machines, creating a more human-like technology experience. As a result, people of all ages and backgrounds are better able to access technology because it develops a sense of familiarity and understanding. Humans are no longer constrained to work alone due to the development of intelligent machines like the Ameca robot. The robot serves as a collaborative companion, enhancing human abilities and fostering an exciting environment for teamwork. Preconceived beliefs about robots and their place in society are put to the test with the introduction of the Ameca robot. Our perceptions of technology and its potential are broadened as robots become an indispensable part of our daily lives, pushing the limits of what robots are capable of. In a video that quickly became popular on social media, the narrator requests that Ameca design an adorable kitty. Ameca then continues by describing cats before painting the cat. Ameca's drawing is inferior to works by established artists, but this breakthrough demonstrates how AI and robots are edging closer to resembling humans. The company Engineered Arts described itself as a pioneer in the design and production of humanoid entertainment robots. Will Jackson started the business, which states to have more than 100 robots placed all around the world. We're seeing incredible advancement in the field of robotics in today's quickly evolving technological environment. The Ameca robot, a highly intelligent device intended to transform human-robot interaction, is one such groundbreaking invention. The relationship between humans and robots have advanced dramatically because of Ameca robot. This intelligent equipment has the potential to improve a number of facets of our lives, from personal help to healthcare support, thanks to its superior capabilities. Though there are hurdles and ethical issues to be resolved, human-robot interactions have a bright future. We are at the cusp of a new era when the humans and machines interact and coexist, resulting in a more effective, inclusive, and connected society as Ameca robots or related technologies continue to advance. As stated by the sources, Ameca functions similarly to GPT-4. Here is where we need to be cautious. Sometimes GPT-4 provides inaccurate and irrelevant answers. So can we anticipate a bright future for America? And that's about it. If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like more updates, AI news, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to not miss out on any videos and to get notifications on time. Don't hesitate to give suggestions for our videos. We'll see you in the next one.